How to turn on Spotlight and Snap Map notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. After this, when your Snap is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go here on settings, then click. Then you go down and you go to notification and click. Then you go down in Spotlight and Snap Map. You will turn on by clicking on this icon until it will be blue like this, and now it will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.